A bird in the hand is worth more than a book. YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. At Your Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Before we get to this vid, do me a favor, let me get 500 likes on this joint. You already know, top 3 best on foot as I do the unboxing, review, and on feet on these top 3s. It's only right?
No.
Oh, and also before I get into this joint, I appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me using my discount code or using the link for Into the AM. Cats been hitting me up, actually asking about that Brain Invader tee. I did holler at them. They said they're supposed to be restocking soon. And don't forget about that t-shirt club. You can use my code WAVY80. First month's free. After that, $14.95 a month. You get a t-shirt in every month, just like me. Matter of fact, I'm gonna rock one tonight. But anyway, man, F all that. You already know what this is, man. Let's get into it. Oh, hope that worked, cause what? Can't do it again. You already know right here, you got your patented Jordan 5 box, black joint, who cares? Take to the front, Air Jordan 5, retro, black, new emerald. Yeah, niggas know how to read?
No, sorry.
So anyway, man, let's check these out. I did get a quick peek at them when the chick brought them out from the back or whatever, and they did look nice. Okay, here they go right here. And when I say they look nice, I don't mean like this is like sneaker of the year, but my first thing on the, well, my first
Earl, leave that nigga alone.
concern about these joints, my bad, is are they going to do the damn ash thing like the Emerald Brethren? You remember how them joints did? Yeah, them emeralds. I had to get rid of them. I got rid of them once I saw that these were going to drop. Another reason why I did get these, I said on my pickup vlog. If you haven't seen my pickup vlog, check that joint out. I said that, what did I say? Oh, I said that since I got the 1s and the 4s, I might as well get these joints. Let me know, did y'all cop or did y'all sleep on these? These kind of like rock the sleep sold out. Our first looks, these joints do look clean. I'm gonna spray these down like right away. But what really got me was the colorway. Like I said, it's a top 3. I've been into the past drops, even though those white ones wasn't really that. I just said, hey, you know what I'm saying? It was something different. And yo, that Nike Air right there that we'll get into later. But now, first looks, these are cool. These joints right here, these 5s are comprised of, well, it's a 30-year anniversary on the Jordan 5s, just like it is on Air Being Rock Him, Let the Rhythm Hit Him. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, 30-year anniversary. They took 3 colorways, the fire red, the metallic obviously, and the emerald joints.
No, this nigga's straight up lying to you.
Yeah, they the grapes, but the emerald did have that tongue too, you know what I'm saying? So I mean, we just argue. I wanted to say that on purpose, but anyway, before that, let's get into it. We'll take it to the sole first. You got your patented Jordan 5 sole right there. Got that icy blue sole at the heel and at the top. In the middle, you got that fire red colorway with Nike engraved lettering. Got your teal Jumpman right there. I always wonder like why it looks like the Jumpman got like this block on his foot. I don't know, it does look like a block. But anyway, I'm gonna take it to the medial side. You can see hits the icy sole right here, followed by the fire red colorway right here. Clear air unit. Got your black shark tooth right here. The upper midsole right here has black color blocking. Now we're taking it to the upper. The upper's all black. It's new buck or one of them bucks.
Check this out real quick. Let me go on and dress this real fast real quick.
Damn shame, because I heard he was begging for a buck. Pause.
Keep that same energy.
Anyway, then you got that patented Jordan 5 cage right there. Got your 3 plastic lacelets right there. Take to the lateral side, kind of like the medial side, where you see your translucent sole right here, Got the real sharp shark teeth right here. Cement color blocking. Fire red color block right here. Clear air unit. Then you got the black color blocking up here. The upper's black, new buck. One of them bucks.
Ass nigga, why don't you just pull up?
Fire red 23 numbering right here. Patented Jordan translucent cage right there. 3 plastic lacelets right there. Take to the toe box. That's black. Black shoelaces that I always somehow forget about. Now you got the patented clear cage right here on the tongue, leading all the way up to the emerald green tongue. I mean the grape tongue. Or you got that teal Jumpman right there. Oh, of course you can't forget about the lace lock right here with the Nike lettering. The actual lace lock itself is black with white Nike lettering, and you also have the white Jumpman right here. Okay. Now the thing, now the insole is all black with Nike lettering in white as well as a white swoosh. I wish they would have, you know, got creative with the insole like anybody's gonna see it, but that'd have been nice, you know.
Fancy.
2 different colors. I forgot if the 4s, I don't believe the, and bird. I forgot if the 4s do, I don't believe the 1s do, but It'd have been cool. The inside of the tongue is teal with a black tag with the 3 colorways: fire red, metallic, and grape. And then you know we gotta take it to the ash. Pause. You can see the clear midsole right here, fire red color blocking right here, as well as black color blocking right here. The heel is black with that classic white Nike Air lettering with the swoosh. That's what really set it off for me. And then another thing that's these 5s are known for, on the upper, I forgot to mention, on the medial side as well as the lateral side, real puffy around the ankle, I guess kind of like some support or something. Never hooped in these joints. Never really hooped at all. But anyway, yeah, so man, like I said, I wasn't gonna, okay, it's starting to rain out here. Hey man, hold up man, that bird gotta go. Got the 4 train in the Bronx, got the birds in down south, like, come on man, that's crazy. But anyway, yeah, so I wasn't gonna get these joints at first, but then I figured, I said, man, you know what, I wanted to get them because, like I said, about the whole top 3 thing, and I did, when I first saw these, I sold my damn emerald joints, because I was like, man, I didn't want to have the emerald and these, it was just no point. If I had something to rock with them, I would probably end up like rush mastering these, rocking them quick. Who have I seen rock them fly? Oh, shout out to He Got Kicks. I seen he had them damn Toronto Raptor socks with these joints. Nice. Salute to you, homie. Word. So, but anyway, man, enough of the talking. Did y'all get these joints? Let me know. Or did y'all sleep on them? You already know, like I said, 500 likes on this joint. I appreciate it. Let me know what you think about the pickup. I ended up paying $181. But anyway, yo, about to get up out of here again. Shout out to the Wave Mob and everybody that's been rocking with me. I appreciate that. 500 likes if I've already asked for it 3 times. But I'm about to get up out of here. I'm just trying to get a thumbnail, you know what I'm saying, on the low. But anyway, yo, follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter be. Oh, shit! Water! Oh, but that Snups. Oh. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you. Out.
I love being fly. That's just the bottom line.
Paper route. Bitch, I'm on my paper route. Yeah. Oh, this fucking paper route. Bitch, I'm on my paper route. Oh, this fucking paper route. Wow. Oh, this fucking paper route. Bitch, I'm on my paper route. Oh, this fucking paper. Tell them, tell them, tell them, like a, yeah. Tell them bums leave me alone, 'cause I'm on my paper route. Friends they come and they go, but I keep that paper route. When them ones hit the floor, girl, pick up that paper now. Tell them ones leave me alone, 'cause I'm on a paper route. Let my hood steam poppin', catch the hood breeze. Texas coming in now. I fuck up a good thing, promise you I've been down. Seen all what the hood bring, talking about whole way with all of the white. All day enjoying it and nice. If you ain't got no dope, man, then why you talking? Why you talking? Ain't tryna put me on, man, and I ain't off it, I ain't off it. I'm tryna get my babies with daddies, never gave to me. So if you ain't tryna pay me, just let me be. Hit them with a nice floor, that's just how the dice roll. Nigga, I am ice cold. They should call me Dice Cube, and I'm nothing like you. Put a thing in like you. Back. Tell them bums leave me alone, 'cause I'm on my paper route. Friends they come and they go, but I keep that paper route. When them ones hit the floor, girl, pick up that paper now. Tell them ones leave me alone, 'cause I'm on a paper route. Funny niggas I can never stand by. I promise that career's gonna be on standby. Everybody landslide. Stick you in the morning, put your hands out. I'm early for that paper like your grandpa. You wouldn't understand. Silly puppets bragging like they changed up. And whether up or down, I never changed up. You should be the same, bro. Plenty bills, we got them hanged up. That itty bitty still leave you stained up. About to switch the game up. Last night I had a beautiful night. Dream about the island on fire. What a beautiful sight. Last night I had a beautiful night. Dream about the island on fire. What a beautiful sight. cause I'm on my paper route. First they come and they go, but I keep that paper round. When them ones hit the flow, girl, pick up that paper now. Tell them ones leave me alone, cause I want a paper round.
I'm the most organic rap nigga in the galaxy. I don't fuck with broke hoes, bitch, that's my policy. We ain't got no blunts, oh fuck it, roll a joint then. King Chips swagging on your daddy and your boyfriend. Offer me the pussy, I ain't bout to ask, can I? Living on the road, got my condo in the semi. Who gives a fuck if you Democrat or Repub? Is you ballin' like a king or is you broke as the fuck?
Y'all niggas got the game fucked up. Y'all niggas got the game fucked up. Y'all niggas got the game fucked up. Y'all niggas,
Y'all not listening to me.
Joe was 100% correct.